Hello everyone, today I will show you how I mix my own glowing dart. I use this brand of UV resin and mix it with some blue glowing dart powder. I also add in some pearl powder for the holographic look. I mix everything together using a brush. Halfway in, I realized the brush is too big for the gaps and the resin overflowed. I switched to a smaller brush here and it was perfect. I make a cat with a bunny costume to go with the egg. What do you think of the glow result? And let me know in the comments.